Good morning, my class. It is Thursday, March 26th. Here's our schedule for today. We have math lesson 12.3. It's the lesson and practice as well as ST math. For language arts, you're finishing up your Cinderella project, specifically the last slide about writing. We'll go into more details. And then science, we're doing a biome quiz creation. You're going to be creating a quiz question based on your biome. So let's take a look at Google Classroom. Now, the first thing you need to know is take in mind that mine looks slightly different than yours. So we have our math lesson with both the lesson and the Google form. Please remember that you really only need to submit the form once, maybe twice if you do really badly the first time. I had a couple students submit it multiple times yesterday, trying to get that perfect score. The whole point is it's practice, so I'm just trying to see what you know. Our Cinderella project. Again, you are going to be completing the last slide. You will be graded on both your writing skills as well as the information you pulled from the text. You must write a paragraph. It should have an introduction, questions make great introductions, a body that includes the similarities and differences, and a conclusion. So if we look at the Student Cinderella slides, this page is the one you're doing today. And when you type in here, I should see a whole paragraph, not one sentence, a paragraph, because that's what we've been practicing. If you need help with that or you're not sure what to write, please message me. So you should be doing a whole paragraph on this page. I have had 3 people turn it in so far, and no one has done a paragraph. So I'm resubmitting those to you if you didn't do that correctly. There's ST Math and Imagine Learning. Make sure you check that you did that. Obviously, there's nothing to turn in. You just say mark is done. Then comes science. Now, I have 4 assignments here because I can see everyone's. You're only going to see one of these based on which biome you did. So we're going to look at the alpine biome. Let's read the instructions. It says, open the slideshow to add one quiz question about your biome. Make sure the answer can be found in your biome slideshow that you made. This is a living document, which means you are sharing it with others. Please be careful not to delete other sides or the instructions. So let's look at what this is, the Alpine group. Each person on your team is going to create one question about your assigned biome. Then we're going to take these quiz questions and you guys are going to vote on how we want to take the quiz. Are we going to make a Kahoot with it? Are we going to make a time to climb on Nearpod? What kind of cool technology tool we're going to use to make your questions into a quiz? So first, find the slide with your name on it. Create a multiple choice question about your biome. They should have 4 options. Give the correct answer to your question. Reread your question to make sure it makes sense. Reminders, please do not write on anyone else's slide. Do not delete anyone else's slide. If something disappears, please press the undo button, which is right. Let me show you where that's at. It's right here. Push that button if anything goes wrong. Okay. And if you can't figure it out, message me. All righty. Next, you're going to, here's the example. What types of plants are best found in the forest? I have 4 options here, and then I put the correct answer at the bottom. After slide 3 are just your names. So this is the Alpine group. Your name will be on one of these slides in your bio. Okay. That is it for Thursday. I'm giving you until Friday to work on your science questions. But they need to be done by Friday so I can spend the weekend getting your fancy quiz ready for Monday. If you have any questions, please message me. I appreciate the way that everyone messaged me today. We were able to do lots of great work yesterday. So thanks so much. Bye. Have a great day.